Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the original Samsung wireless charging pad. This one is the stand-up position one. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. This is a wireless charger stand. This one is the Samsung Fast Charge. And then it shows you the quick. If you guys want to put this at the portrait position, you must center your phone or put it on the landscape. So you could charge it while you watching on your YouTube or any of your video or movies. So it comes with this quick start guide. Okay. It says this is brand new, so I'm not sure. It's kind of scratched up here. I'm not sure. That's from the doing shipment or something. Because it does not have any bubble wrap. As you see, scratch right there and there and there. I'm not sure why is it scratched there. So make sure when you guys want to buy wireless charger, make sure they have a Qi, which is QI certified, okay? So make sure your input has 5 volt and 2.0 amp. If you put like a 1.0 amp, then it's going to be a slow charger instead of a fast charger. So if your phone is support wireless charging, you guys might want to put right in the center like that, okay? And make sure it's not shifted to the left or shifted to the right, okay? And same goes with the landscape. Because normally the wireless charging pad is right in the center. Okay, so this is my unboxing for this Samsung wireless charger stand. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. And also share this with your friend, family on social media, and then drop any comments on below. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay? Like always. Peace.